Exciting in 4 months. Not bad. Not bad at all. What's that? You poor thing. How did you get way out here? Let me see. You're alive? Yeah, that girl. Get you all cleaned up here. Yeah.
Shadow.
Well, what's a classy dame like you doing way out here in the sticks? Yeah.
Shadow.
Some rest.
Chance.
Some food.
Shadow.
Be all right.
What's that? Shadow? Shadow! And Chance!
All right. But take care of yourself now. And steer clear of the river.
Come on, guys. Keep barking. Let me know where you are. Hey, you! Hey, we're here, all right.
You were great! You were like Rin Tin Tin.
Like who?
Rin Tin Tin, don't you watch TV?
That's not real.
Oh, it is true.
You can't smell it, can you?
Well, anyway, you were great.
Okay, thanks, Chance. Sassy?
Couldn't be.
Sassy!
Sassy!
My boys! My boys!
Sassy! Oh, go for it.
Chance! Shadow!
Sassy!
Oh, Shadow! I
Oh,
thought
Sassy,
I'd never see
you're
you
alive.
again. Oh,
Sassy!
Oh, I missed you so much, Sassy.
Yeah, me too.
Really?
Well, we could use you around.
I missed you too, Chance.
Hey, can we go fishing now, Sassy, huh? Can't we?
Oh, Chance, you are hopeless, but all right. Let's go fishing.
Yes! Fish, fish, fish.